This is my customer, Kadi. She is from Gambia, Western Africa. She bought two set of 3-ton body capacity flake ice machines from my company. She is very happy with the machines. This is the message between Kadi and me. She made a video to show the ice falling into her ice room, and she also made a video to show around her ice plants. Okay, this is the message between us. Um, Before I send the machine to Cuddy, I made a lot of videos to show the manufacturing process of her machines. I also made videos to show the working performance of her machines before she pay for the banners. I'm going to make a long video to show everything about these ice projects we did in Gambia, Western Africa. Hello, Kadi. So this is your machine's manufacturing process. This is the compressor you named Biza, and this compressor will be available. The parts will be available in your local area. This is the liquid receiver, and we're going to put the air cooling condenser on this frame. The air cooling condenser will be located on a higher level than this liquid receiver, and this is the accumulator. Okay, and this is the area we put the ice generator. The ice generator is here. We're going to put it later, very soon, and the condenser will arrive tomorrow. By then, we're going to put the condenser here, and then we will finish manufacturing within 2 days. So we're going to finish making your machine very soon. By then, I will show your machine's working performance. Hello, Cuddy. This is Mike. Here I'm standing in front of your 3-ton body capacity flake ice machine. Okay, this is your machine. It's in function now. You can see ice is coming down from the ice generator. So let's walk around your machine. This is the ice generator. This is the bigger piston compressor. This one is very popular in Africa, and it's the brand you need. This is the air cooling condenser. It's equipped with 4 air cooling fans, like this. 4 air cooling fans. 2 fans will automatically off themselves when your ambient temperature is low. You can see the color of the condenser is different. This is the anti-corrosive treatment. We have done anti-corrosive treatment with the films, so the air cooling condenser can last for a very long time with the sea wind. We have done a lot of jobs for the anti-corrosive treatment. You can see we are using the stainless steel as the material for the bottom frame. We are using the stainless steel for the control panel. We are using the stainless steel cover for the ice generator, and we are using the stainless steel top and the bottom. This bottom, all area in touch with the sea wind is anti-corrosive, including the air cooling condenser film, the control panel, the bottom frame, the cover of the ice generator. Everything is made of a stainless steel, so your machine has no problem for working with the sea wind, and it can last for a very long time in such working condition. So let's open the control panel, so you can see. Oh, no need to open it now. Keep it working. Your machine works with 6 millimeter square millimeter copper wires, and this is the water inlet. Okay, this is for water draining, and this is for overflow. This is your machine's water tank. This is the pump to keep the water circulation inside the ice generator, and this is the brine pump, and it keeps adding the brine into the water, into the tank. Okay, you can see the brine is entering the water tank. You see? Did you see that? Okay, yeah. This keeps working automatically, and the speed is adjustable. You can increase it or reduce it, and I'm going to give you another one. Okay, so you can replace it once this one breaks down, because this device is very important for your machine. So I offer you another one. Okay, you can see your machine is in function. Now let's check the quality of ice flakes made by your machine. This is the ice making speed. The ice flakes are very dry. Very well frozen ice flakes.